What should we do in times of an earthquake?
I am Geoffrey Estrada,
And I am AHRON IBAASAN.
and we will make you an infomercial preparedness about an earthquake.
What is an earthquake?
An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from a sudden release of energy in the earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves.
An earthquake is a harmful devastation that can harm the planet.
We must be
prepared.
What are the things we should do when an earthquake hits your place?
The do's and don'ts before, during, and after an earthquake occurs.
We must know the PAB meaning:
Prepare, aware, and beware. First, prepare. Make sure you have a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, a battery power radio, flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Learn first aid. Note: know its basic principles of applying first aid. Learn how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity. Make up a plan of where to meet your family after an earthquake. Anchor heavy furnitures and appliances to the walls or floor. Learn the earthquake drill at your school, houses, or workplace.
The do's during an earthquake occurs. Aware. Stay calm. If you're indoors, stay inside. If you're outside, stay outside. If you are driving, stop until the shaking of the ground stops. Don't use elevators. Instead, use stairs or fire exits. Continually cover your head and neck with your arms or any hard materials to protect yourself from falling debris. Be patient. Wait for further announcements if you are safe to evacuate the place. The do's after an earthquake occurred.
Beware. Check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid for anyone who needs it.
Turn on the radio to hear announcements. Don't use the phone unless it's an emergency.
Stay out of damaged buildings. Stay away from beaches. Tsunami is sometimes hit after the ground has stopped shaking.
Don't panic. Stay calm. Wait for further announcements on your place.
Stay where you are. Expect aftershocks.
Before the earthquake, be awake. Follow PAB.
Prepare, aware, beware. Follow and you will survive.
And here are the causes of an earthquake.